Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to today's video. So you guys, finally my TJ Maxx is reopened and I'm gonna go inside of a store. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited you guys. I have my mask on and I have my hand sanitizer with me, and I'm taking all precautions. In case you're interested to visit, then definitely you have to take a lot of precautions these days. I hope we all get through it fast. So you guys, this is the line outside of TJ Maxx, and people are waiting. I'm so happy to see everybody's keeping 6 feet distance and everyone has their mask on. That's pretty great. They are allowing only 151 people at once, so that's why rest of the people get to wait here. You guys, when I entered the store, I was blown away because everything is on sale. Pretty much everything, designer wear, shoes, and bougie stuff. I mean, pretty much everything is on sale inside. So let's get into the store you guys, and let's see what we about to find. First off, let's look at the makeup. So you guys, if we talk about makeup, there is no red text or markdown prices for makeup. I don't know why. And I did not find a lot of great variety. There are few products that are new here and very good that I'm about to show you guys, but this is all that we have seen in the past as well, and not that exciting, right? So this is Becca Shimmering Skin Perfected Liquid. We have seen this a lot of time before, and there is Too Faced Tutti Frutti line. They have a lot of different products to choose from, different shades and everything. So definitely this is a great brand, and if you're interested, you'll find amazing price ranges as well. Okay, so this Becca Skin Love foundation is here in just $7.99, and they have little bit shades to choose from. So if any of you find your shade, that's pretty awesome, because $7.99 for this product is great. And I also found a lot of pretty vulgar products as well that I haven't seen before in TJ Maxx. This is Pretty Vulgar Down Below Lash Primer. This is in color black. You guys, I'm so excited about this product. I have purchased that, and I'll let you guys know how that primer performs. So you guys, this is an eye cream by brand Clinique. This is great for dark circles and puffiness. This is $24.99 here in TJ Maxx. Still the price is up there, but I really like Clinique. Their products are great. This is Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This is mini bottle, and it retails for only $4.99. Here I see Lava Water Foundation Primer by brand Pretty Vulgar. This stuff looks so good, but I haven't purchased it. But I'm thinking to buy it when I visit again. Alright, here look at the price you guys. This foundation, BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless. This is $4.99 in TJ Maxx, but there was not enough shade ranges to choose from. I would love to try this foundation if I find it in my shade, because BH is great brand. I love their eyeshadows and I would love to give it a try. Here I also found Pretty Vulgar Just Glow With It liquid highlighter. This was also $9.99. The packaging looks so pretty. And also I found this the ink gel liner as well by brand Pretty Vulgar. It was $11.99 in TJ Maxx. These are some Laura Geller highlighters, $7.99. Laura Geller makes amazing highlighters. This kit is so beautiful. I own it. It's $4.99 in TJ Maxx. Here is BH Cosmetics 15 color shadow palette. This was only $5.99. Colors look so pretty and vibrant, perfect for summer and spring. These are some lipsticks by great brands, by Stila, Bare Minerals, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and Lorac. They have Pretty Vulgar and a lot more. Bite. You guys, I did not see the shades like how many shades they have, because they have a lot to choose from. And most of them were $7.99, some of them was $5.99. Looks beautiful. These are Milani blushes, and this is Bobbi Brown eyeshadow. I don't know how these shades looks like. And these are some Too Faced Twinkle Twinkle liquid glitter eyeshadow. It was $5.99. This is e.l.f. Bloating powder. It was only $2.99 here in TJ Maxx. These are some Stila liquid eyeliners. These are Stay All Day liquid eyeliner. Looks so good, and it was only $4.99. So you guys, here are some designer bags. Everything is on clearance. Can you believe? Huge discounts going on here. If you're interested, this is a perfect time to grab one for you, but definitely keep the safety in your mind. This is not perfect time to shopping, I know that, but look at all this discount, you guys. And I can believe this yellow bag by Jessica Simpson, where the original tag it says 100 something, and now it is in just 12 bucks. That's pretty insane, and this bag looks so unique and pretty to me. Great price range. Here are some more designer bags. These are also on sale. Everything is marked down red tag. That's pretty awesome, and perfect time to grab something for yourself. Alright, here we see a lot of shoes in very discounted price. These are only 20 bucks, and this Michael Kors beautiful looking red shoes is only 18 bucks. Very comfortable. This was very comfortable, and I love the color as well. And look at this very beautiful color and beautiful shoes. It was only 16 bucks right now in TJ Maxx. That's pretty insane. And these are some flip-flops. This is the perfect weather for flip-flops. These were only 16 bucks. Michael Kors, and a lot of good brands to choose from. Very amazing price ranges. So you guys, everything in clothing, dresses, pants and shirts, designer wear, branded, everything, pretty much everything is marked down right now. That's pretty insane. So if you are interested, go and grab one for you, but definitely take all precautions as well. I really love the prices today, you guys. That's pretty insane. This is checkout area, you guys, and look at it. Everything is changed right now. They are taking very good care of customers and themselves as well. So you guys, in my next visit I'll show you even more stuff, so please subscribe for that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.